Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this section, we will cover Google Cloud Identity and Organization. In the last video, we covered how to add a user, how to add permissions onto it. But in this video, we will see what is the Google Cloud Identity and Organization. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I am logged on to the portal and it says Cloud Identity will allow us to manage the enterprise identities and cloud resources on Google Cloud Platform. What can we expect? We will sign up your enterprise for cloud identity. We'll agree to the cloud identity terms of service. We will verify the domain. We will configure Google Cloud Platform and import any existing projects and billing accounts. We will create or sync accounts for all the users. So when you are under IAM and admin, you have the option to click on identity and organization. Then you click on sign up. User lifecycle management, directory services, account security, single sign-on, device management, and more in one simple integrated solution. Set up your free account today. Okay. Click on next. I am the only employee here. Business name is, it's not a business, it is the name of my portal. Discuss cloud computing. Just me. Click on next. India. Okay. What's your current email address? It is, I'm going to enter my email address. After that, I'm going to add my domain name, computing.com. Discuss cloudcomputing.com. Okay, use this domain to set up the business. Discuss cloudcomputing.com. What is my name? It may or may not work because I don't have a full-fledged organization, or I don't have this organization registered. So this is my name of the directory. I'm going to say Asar at discusscloudcomputing.com. I'm going to enter my password. Okay. I do not want to save it. I'm not a robot. Agree and create account. Or you can read the terms and conditions onto this option when you are on this screen. Let's wait. I'm gonna pause the video and come back when it is done. Within few seconds, it says your cloud identity account has been created. Ready to set up your cloud identity business account. I do not want to do it, but I don't have any other option here. I have to verify my domain ownership. So let's see what it does it ask. If I click on verified domain, okay, my domain is registered on GoDaddy. So it verifies it that it is hosted on GoDaddy, and it will pop up and will ask me to authorize GoDaddy to access that domain. It depends upon you where your domain is hosted. I think it will take some time. I click on authorize again. Okay, it says about 4 minutes left. So let's wait and I'll come back to show you the result. Or it is still asking me to wait for 1 minute, about 1 minute left. I'm waiting. So this domain verification was taking longer than expected. I created a TXT record here under the domain settings of my GoDaddy account, and this wizard will show you. Now you will have to click on verify domain. Otherwise it would have done automatically, but to manually you have to create the TXT record again. It is asking for some time. My TXT record is in place. I hope this will happen again. Let's wait and I'll come back. It is still failing. So you got the idea how you set up the cloud identity. I'll try to fix it, but if I'm not able to fix it, you know that you can choose a different method. You can add a meta tag to the discuss your website. You can add an upload an HTML file to the website. So you can download it and then you can upload it to your site root directory. I cannot do it. My first of all, I will take the backup and will try to do it again. But if you have set up your directory, then you would have to be able to access your cloud identity on the Google Cloud platform, and you can add users to your cloud identity account as well. So you got the idea. I'm sorry I was not able to complete it, but I was able to show you the procedure and the way and the options that are available. So I hope you liked this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a great day.